And what Blake is asking here, he says, you did not think to yourself that this is a piece of evidence. Look, there's a reason why 3 weeks later, today, marks 3 weeks of when Brad Haywood requested a hearing to examine this SD card. And there's so much pushback from the prosecutor. There's so much pushback from this county on simply I mean, this is, by the way,
I don't understand.
It should not be this difficult. It should not be this difficult to examine a piece of evidence. We are simply asking, let's follow the laws on the books. And what Blake is asking here, he says, you did not think to yourself that this is a piece of evidence. I have to preserve it. I have to follow a chain of custody because, oh shit, I wear a badge. And it's my job to preserve this piece of information in case it goes to trial. I have to preserve the integrity of this material so that nobody can sit here at 4:35 in the fucking morning and say, why did you tamper with that piece of evidence? I mean, there's policy and procedure so that people don't later down the road have their family sit in front of a jail, in front of a county courthouse and say, why are you tampering with my brother's evidence? Why are you tampering with my brother's dash cam evidence?
Especially when he's admitting to it.
Because they know that there's a 1% chance that Mustafa is going to get a lawyer like Brad Haywood, who's going to say, I want to look at that SD card. I mean, think about it. Not a single one of them said, push back on the prosecutor's office, says, I want to examine this SD card. Except for Brad, so far, who's going to push back and say, I want to examine this SD card. So what did they do? He says, oh, I don't remember. I didn't document it anywhere. I don't remember that there was an audio or if the audio was an issue. So that in the 1% chance that you do get a lawyer that actually does go in, brings in an expert, gets the SD card, pulls the audio, they're going to say, well, we never said officially there was no audio.
No one has evidence of what they're saying in court, and the transcripts are sealed.
I mean,
Mustafa's defense attorney doesn't even have the fucking transcripts. Like that makes